Hello people of the world, it's me, Mr. Mark, UK1. Welcome to another unboxing video. So today I've got my 22-inch LED Logik TV, which my parents bought for me, which is really nice of them. And also we've got the TV stand that goes with it, which comes out on the TV, of course. So let's start with this. So yeah, this ripping the tag off. I've needed a new TV for a while. I did my other TV unboxing, my Goodman's TV, on my 100 video. So what we have here, we have bolts and A to L. So that's a lot of bolts. Okay, we have more bolty stuff and some Allen keys and stuff like that. It comes with obviously your spray, your HDMI thingy, bracket stand. So this is the TV stand, Logik, which is actually funny enough the TV make. Things that are focusing. We have the TV stand, which is brilliant, which is really cool. So I'm going to put that on my desk because otherwise that's going to get in my way. We have an instruction manual, an aerial lead, which I probably won't use, and HDMI cable, which I might use. So we're going to set the box over here. I'll put all other stuff on my other desk. And now, time for the big reveal, the TV. So, this, without cutting myself, because that would be really stupid. It has got a built-in DVD player, and I believe it's got Freeview as well. HD. I think it's HD Freeview. Oh, I can record, pause, and. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I'm ripping the box. That's a great start. So, flip these things up. Okay. This way it's got to go. Okay, no. The TV's coming up this way. So as you can see here. Here we have the instruction manual, which will open now. Obviously the last unboxing was actually this camera, which I'm using right now, the DSLR, which is a really good camera. Quick start, DVD player, blah blah. Protect yourself. I'll try and protect myself. I get a sticker. It's telling me that in something, in safety or something, I don't know. A nice remote, a lovely remote. Take that stuff off. Oh, I like that remote. Interesting. What have we got in here? Some screws and some AAA batteries and. What the hell are they? I don't know what they are, but I'm sure we'll come to that later on. I've got about 100 remotes now, but I'll be able to get rid of that Goodman's TV now because it's got a nice green line down the middle. So, next is, okay, I guess, that papery stuff. Don't know, okay. Looks like we're in a TV, so if I so that you could see this stand, which I probably won't use. So here we have the TV. The box is in the way now. So take that off. What the hell was that? This thing just flew off. I think it's part of the TV. The TV stand. So on the back here we have a SCART plug, some red, white and yellow. We've got two USB leads, one USB lead, two HDMI, a aerial in lead, and a TV, I've got what it's called. It's called a VGA. Now it's quite a light TV, so let's take that off. I don't want to break it before I even got it. It's got an inbuilt DVD player, as I said earlier. Which is there. And we've got the UK plug. So I'm going to quickly put the stand on, because I think we need to. Okay, it requires screws, so I'm going to leave it to that now. It's made by Logik, 22-inch LED, so should be fine compared to my old Goodman's TV. So thanks for watching, and excuse the mess over there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.